Kamukha mo si Andres Bonifacio, si Santiago ang kanyang papa, at ang ganda-ganda ng kanyang ina, De Castro Catalina. Siya'y naghanap buhay sapagkat sunod-sunod na matang ang kaniyang mga magulang. Noong edad niya'y 14 pa lamang, itinigil ni Andres ang kaniyang pag-aaral. Nagtrabaho bilang mensahero sa kumpanyang Fleming at Frisell. Si Andres Bonifacio ang tunay na ama ng katipunan na tinuruan ng Pilipino na lumaban ng tunay. Pagpila sa papel na simulan, 1896 nakikibaka, sigaw sa bugad langway, katipunan laban sa Espanya. Naganap ang unang eleksyon, ito ay Tejeros Convention, at dahan-dahang natatalo si Andres Bonifacio. Hindi matanggap ni Andres ang resulta ng halalan. Siya'y inaristo dahil sa sanang pagtataksil sa bayan. Si Andres Bonifacio ang tunay na ama ng katipunan na tinuruan ng Pilipino na lumaban ng tunay. La 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 la, la 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 la, la Midnight, not a sound from the pavement. Has the moon lost her memory? She is smiling alone. In the lamplight, the withered leaves collected my feet, and the wind begins to moan. Memory, all alone in the moonlight, I can smile at the old days. It was beautiful then. I remember the time I knew what happiness was. Let the memory live again. Daylight, I must wait for the sunrise. I must think of a new life, and I mustn't give in. When the dawn comes, tonight will be a memory too, and a new day will begin. Burnt out ends of smoky days, the stale cold smell of morning. The street lamp dies, another night is over, another day is dawning. Touch me, it's so easy to leave me all alone with the memory of my day in the sun. If you touch me, you'll understand what happiness is. Look, a new day has begun. Memory, all alone in the moonlight, I can smile at the old days. It was beautiful then. I remember the time I knew what happiness was. Let the memory live
Photographs and memories, Christmas cards you sent to me. All that I have are these to remember you. Memories that come at night, take me to another time, back to a happier day when I called you mine. But we sure had a good time when we started way back when. Morning walks and bedroom talks, oh how I loved you then. Summer skies and lullabies, nights we couldn't say goodbye, and of all of the things that we knew, not a dream survived. Photographs and memories, all the love you gave to me, somehow it just can't be true. That's all I've left of you. But we sure had a good time when we started way back when. Morning walks and bedroom talks, oh how I loved you then. If I could save time in a bottle, the first thing that I'd like to do is to save every day till eternity passes away, just to spend them with you. If I could make days last forever, if words could make wishes come true, I'd save every day like a treasure, and then again I would spend them with you. But there never seems to be enough time to do the things you want to do once you find them. I've looked around enough to know you're the one I want to go through time with. If I had a box just for wishes and dreams that had never come true, the box would be empty except for the memory of how they were answered by you. But there never seems to be enough time to do the things you want to do once you find them. I've looked around enough to know you're the one I want to go through time with.
Heart in heart, hand in hand, darling. Put your faith in me. Let's make a memory. You and I Put your faith in me. Let's make a memory. You and I have dreamed so long of tonight, to learn what love's about. Come to me and lay yourself by my side. We'll kiss away the doubts. We're together at last. Feel your heart beat so fast, darling. Put your faith in me. Let's make a memory. Let's make a memory. Bright as the stars and shine above. Let's fill our cup with the wine of love. Just you and me, and memories of love. After all said and done, memories linger on. Put your faith in me. Let's make a memory. Let's make a memory. Bright as the stars and shine above. Let's fill our cup with the wine of love. Just you and me, and memories of memories, bright as the stars that shine above. Let's fill our cup with the wine of love. Just you and me. Let's make a memory. Bright as the stars that shine above. Let's fill our cup with
And I never thought I'd feel this way. And as far as I'm concerned, I'm glad I got the chance to say that I do believe I love you. And if I should ever go away, well then close your eyes and try to feel the way we do today. And then if you can remember, keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure, that's what friends are for good times and bad times. I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for.
Well, you came and opened me, and now there's so much more I see. And so, by the way, I thank you. Oh, and then for the times when we're apart, well, then close your eyes and know the words are coming from my heart. And then if you can remember,
you're down and troubled, and you need a helping hand, and nothing, oh, nothing is going right. Close your eyes and think of me, and soon I will be there to brighten up even your darkest night. You just call up my name, and you know wherever I am, I'll come running. Oh yeah, babe, to see you again. Winter, spring, summer, or fall, now all you got to do is call, and I'll be there, yeah, yeah, yeah. You've got a friend. If the sky above you should turn dark and full of clouds, and that old north wind should begin to blow, keep your head together and call my name out loud now. Soon I'll be knocking upon your door. You just call up my name, and you know wherever I am, I'll come running. Oh yes, I will see you again. Winter, spring, summer, or fall, yeah. All you got to do is call, and I'll be there, yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, ain't it good to know that you've got a friend? People can be so cold, they'll hurt you and desert you.
Bayang magiliw, handa, awit. Hello po mga kabes, si Edith Barreto po ito, ng Batch 1979. Natatandaan pa po ba ninyo ako? Ako po ang dating kumakanta ng ating national anthem every morning. Nandito po ako pang lubos na anyayahan kayo sa ating first grand reunion on May 18. Nagaganapin po sa Chef Patrick Kitchen at 10 a.m. Malapit daw po ito sa UE Caloocan, Samson Road. Bye! Enjoy!
Isang magandang hapon o gabi o umaga sa inyong lahat, Batch 79. Happy to be with you on the 18th of May. Sana lahat kayo makarating. Excited akong makita ko na kayo, na ganyan na kayo ngayon. Nang maghiwa-hiwalay tayo, noong 1979, puro kayo mga musmus pa. Ngayon, alam ko, meron ng lola at lolo na katulad ko na rin ngayon. Sige, see you on the 18th of May. Bye-bye!
Hi, I'm Edwina Messina Sandoval. I'm inviting you sa ating ABES 79 class reunion sa May 18, 2024 sa Patrick Chef Restaurant, Caloocan. See you there. Have fun!
Hello, good afternoon po sa ating lahat. Inaanyayahan ko po kayo na dumalo sa ating nalalapit na first grand reunion after 45 years ng ABES Batch 79. Sa May 18 na po yan, 2024. Ang venue po natin ay sa Chef Patrick Kitchen sa may 263 UE Tech, Caloocan City at 10 a.m. Kita-kita po tayo doon at I'm so excited. Bye!
Hello, hi everyone, mga bro, mga sis. Managod po namin kayong inaanyayahan sa darating na first grand reunion ng Batch 79 after 45 years. Nagaganapin po sa Mayo 18, dyan lang po sa UE Subdivision. Maraming salamat po at sana po makarating kayo. Maraming salamat po. Bye!
Magandang araw mga mates! Inianyayahan ko kayo na dumalo sa ating nalalapit na grand reunion ng ABES Batch 79 after 45 years. Nagaganap po sa Chef Patrick Kitchen sa may UP Sandaan. Sa May 18 na po yan. Kita-kita na lang tayo ha. Bye!
Good morning everybody! Inaanyayahan po kayo lahat na umattend sa grand reunion ng ABES Batch 79 sa May 18 sa Chef Patrick sa harap ng UE Subdivision. Sana po magkita-kita tayo doon para makita natin yung mga old classmates natin ng elementary. Maging masaya, kumustahan. Iniimbitahan ko po kayo lahat. Let's go! Thank you!
Hi, Batch 79. I'm Hope M. Reyes, inviting you all sa grand reunion na gaganapin sa May 18, 2024 sa Chef Patrick in Caloocan. Sana makadalo din kayo para magkita-kita tayong lahat. See you there! Bye!
Magandang araw sa inyong lahat, mga kabats ng ABES 1979. Ako nga pala si Lito Cabamongan, isang kasapi ng ABES Batch 1979 na nag-aanyaya sa inyong lahat na mga kasapi rin ng Batch ABES 1979 na lumahok sa ating gaganapin na first grand reunion ng ating batch after 45 years. Ayan. For sure, napakaganda ng mangyayaring reunion at sobrang saya. At ito ay once in a lifetime lang panigurado. So, ano pang ginagawa nyo? Magparehistro na kayo at magbayad ng reunion fee. Magkita-kita tayo doon. Isa nga pala, gaganapin ang ating reunion sa Chef Patrick sa kitchen, dyan lang sa pinakakanto ng University of the East, sa tabi mismo ng University of the East, Caloocan. So kita-kita tayo ha. See you there!
Hello everyone! Tara, kape! Ako nga pala sa mga hindi nakakakilala sa akin, si Travis Nelson Lopez o Nelson Lopez na nag-aral sa A. Bonifacio Elementary School sa Caloocan. Sa mga kabats ko at sa mga naging kaklase ko, iniimbitahan ko kayo o inaanyayahan ko kayong dumalo sa ating grand reunion sa May 18, 2024. Doon lang, malapit lang sa UE Caloocan. Tapat lang ng main entrance ng UE Caloocan sa Chef Patrick Kitchen, Caloocan City, sa may Samsung Road. Kita-kits tayo ron, mga classmate ha. Okay? Go pa tayo dyan? Go tayo? Okay. Tara, kape!
Batchmate, inimbitahan namin kayo ni Alma sa May 18 sa Chef Patrick sa ating grand reunion. Sa harap ng UE Subdivision. Kita-kits!
Dahil nalagay po namin kayo batang sa ating grand reunion. After 45 years,
Our first grand reunion sa Chef Patrick Kitchen sa kanto ng University Hills at Samson Road.
at 10 a.m.
10 a.m.
See you there! See you there! Bye!
Inaayahan po namin kayo na dumalo sa nalalapit na first grand reunion
Inaanyalahan namin kayo.
We are inviting all of you to join us in our grand reunion on May 18, 2024 at Chef Patrick near University Hills, Caloocan City
At
at 10 a.m. See you there.
Nag-invite sa inyo, mag-attend naman kayo para magkakita tayo. Kailan nga? Kailan nga yung sa may reunion mo, Chef Restaurant, Chef Patrick Restaurant, register tayo ng serye. Kita-kits tayo para naman kamustahan, our faces, our friends. Alam niyo mga crush ko, gusto makita. 45 years na nakaraan, di ba? Makaka-excite. Ay, di ba makita yung magaganda niyo naman, mga magagandang baby, mga ganda na mga mukha, magaganda, gusto makita. Ay, crush ko. Yeah, makikita niya. Guys! Paano? Kita-kits tayo na na. Chef Patrick, sa May 18, 10 a.m. Okay? See you. Imbitahan ko lang kayo sa May 18. Chef Patrick, 10 a.m.
Sa Chef Patrick, 10 a.m.
See you there. See you there.
Hi everyone! Good morning po. Ako nga po pala si Mirna Tumalad Igen, ang dati niyo pong classmate at batchmate noong year 1979 sa ABES po. I would like to invite everyone na umattend po sa gagawin nating grand reunion sa May 18 at 10 a.m. po sa Chef Patrick Kitchen. At yan po ay malapit sa UE Caloocan. I challenge everyone na umattend po tayo dahil kung ako nga po ay nagkaroon ng heart desire na umattend even though na nandito po ako sa malayo, sa parting Visayas po sa Aklan. Pero nagkaroon po ako ng heart desire na umattend dahil gusto ko po kayong ma-meet lahat, makabanding at makakwentuhan. Alam ko po na mag-e-enjoy po ang bawat isa na a-attend. At sa hindi po makaka-attend, you will miss 1/3 of your life. Char! Joke lang po. So, see you soon! Bye-bye! God bless us all po.
Thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks to the Holy One. Give thanks because He's given Jesus Christ, His Son. Give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks to the Holy One. Give thanks because He's given Jesus Christ.